This is SCADA Dude. Welcome back to another Geo SCADA how-to series. In this video, we are going to cover how to get back into your Geo SCADA server if you forget your super user account. Now, how is that even possible? Somebody who set the system up at the company decided to leave but did not assign the responsibilities to another individual or forgot to share the information, and now that person is not available. So to be able to make any changes, you have to have an admin, which you do not. Hence, you are stuck. So there is no backdoor to get back into the Geo SCADA server. There is a hard way to stop it and then try to change the password. But there are no guarantees that your database may survive. So what I am going to show you is the last resort to get back in. First thing is you need to be able to get onto the server, so you must have rights to be an admin. Once you have done that, if you're using Geo SCADA, typically you will find a service manager here. If you launch it, this will give you an opportunity to shut the server down. To confirm, literally go down to the taskbar and check and see if your server has stopped. There's a potential when you mess with the Windows file system that you could corrupt your database. So let's proceed further. Now you need to run the installer. So find the installer for the version and run the installer. Install Geo SCADA Expert. It's going to come up with the setup stuff. Perfectly fine. Go through the steps. You're going to come to this point right here where it's going to say about to install the product. Next, you're going to do a modify. Do not click next. Right here, you will see it says change super user account. Click on that. Next. And this will now give you the opportunity to change the super user. Again, this is just a temporary username that you're using to get in, and eventually you do want to assign multiple individuals admin rights and shut the super user account down. Part of the reason for that is you cannot audit who the super user is. But if an individual logs in, you will be able to tell who logged in at what time and what did they do on the system. So let's change the super user account at this point. And that is all you need to do to complete it. Start the server back up and make sure it comes back online with the play sign. If it does, that's a good sign. You can try to log into it with the new account you just created for the super user. And there you have it. You are now able to log in. Remember, this is a last resort, and there are no guarantees that your database will survive a forced service shutdown through the service manager. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel. That way, as I add more videos, you will get notified. Thank you. Take care.